If you're trying to send messages to somebody on Instagram, but they're not sending or not working, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's open up the Instagram app. iPhone, Android works the exact same. From here, we need to get to your settings. So tap on the profile at the bottom right. From here, let's tap on again. From here, tap on the 3 lines at the very top right. And then all we need to do is scroll down. And what you're looking for is if you have a professional account, I'll walk you through steps, and I'll walk you through steps if you don't have a professional account. If it says for professionals and it says business tools and controls or creator tools and controls, just tap on that. And then scroll down to tap on minimum age and make sure that you don't have a minimum age set here. I would hit the remove button and then just hit done if your basically content is appropriate for everyone. Now, after you've done that, if you don't have a professional account, I would recommend going back out of here and scrolling down towards the bottom and going through the process of creating a professional creator or business account. So just switch to a business or creator account. It's completely free, and that will open up messaging. If either of those don't work for you, all you're going to do next is open up a web browser and you're going to type in, "Is Instagram down?" You'd be surprised, a lot of times Instagram is just down. So just go to Down Detector to see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. You can see yesterday at about 3 p.m., it was down. So if you're not able to send messages, it could be because the servers are down.